Praying.
Hey, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy new day. All right, so I'm getting ready to go get my word on to see what thus saith the Lord for our life. Big Daddy in the background getting dressed, looking all fabulous. He trying to do a dance and all kind of stuff. But so what I'm getting ready to do is put on my lashes, you guys. So these are magnetic lashes from Christopher Anthony Premium Raw Virgin Hair. And this is how your kit looks. I've had this kit now probably 3 years. I've probably never worn some of the lashes. I just keep my favorite ones. So what I like to do is once I get out the shower, before you have oils and all that kind of stuff on your hand, in my mind, I just like to go ahead and put my liner on. Then I'm going to step away and get dressed. And then I'll come back and pop the lashes on. And then I will step away again, finish getting dressed. Then I'll come and put my wig on so you guys can see all of that. So what I've done to my hair, I got a little 2-strand twist on there right now. I use some Jamaican black castor oil gel, and I'll share that in another video. And then I did that last night. And then this morning I just put some oil on my scalp, massaged that in, jumped in the shower. And I'm getting ready to do my lashes for y'all. So stay tuned. I need to make sure I secure this towel because we don't want no situations. All right, let me do that. All right. We don't want to be making no X-rated video. You feel me? All right, guys. Hope that you're having an amazing day. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you have any questions about what I'm doing with my natural hair. I just feel like it's time for me to start embracing conditioning it, taking care of it. While you wear protective style, whether it's 2-strand twist, whether you're getting a weave, you're getting braids, you're wearing your wig, you got to protect your natural hair, okay? We got to still grow. So this one right here is really old. This one, I need to chuck it, but I'm still trying to get every drop out of it. So I'm going to do, let me see if I can, I got to look at the mirror. So you just want to line like you do an eyeliner. Just like so, like that. Okay. Go back in. Get you another, and do this one. So I do from corner to end. That's how that looks. And I usually don't do it twice. I just do it once. I look and see, make sure I got enough in the corner, because sometimes that's where the lash be trying to lift up. So I'm going to go back in, just get a little bit on that corner right there. Okay. And everyone does it different, their application different. You have to see what works for you. Some people have oilier skin, so they do it twice. I have a client where she said in the middle of the day, she carries this with her to work. She has our little travel kit. I'll have to show you guys that in another video, but you can put your wand in there, your tweezers, and then you have your lashes on. So when you want to take them off, the magnetic strip is in that kit as well, that little travel box. And then she goes in the restroom, she said during the day, she takes them off, she wipes the oil from around her eyes, and then she pops her lashes off. So I have my my liner on right now, and then I just usually fan, give a little break. You don't want to put on the lashes when it's still super wet, because sometimes it gets messy. So I just kind of give it a minute or so, nothing exciting, but I'll be right back. Got a lash in my hand, I'm gonna pop it on. It's so easy. I used to try to do the lashes with the, you know, the lash glue. Doing too much. Bam. There's one. I'll do the other one. Just pull it off like that. Uh-oh. There's the other lash. You just position it and pop it on. The good thing about these, you can pull it off and reposition if you like. If you don't like how it's feeling, how it's looking. Bam. Already have my flexi rods on my unit. Throw my cap on. Do it like that. I don't put any spray, any glue, nothing like that. Just check to make sure I have my bands where I want them to secure the unit on my head. And this is a lace, let's see, frontal unit. I've had this for about 3 years. Let's see, I bleached it myself. I'll show you, I think I have some of those videos already on YouTube, but I can link them so you can see that process. Okay. I just love how you transform when you put on a wig. Oh my goodness, it's all tangled in here. I've had it in this flexi rods for about 2 weeks. That's how I usually just, before I take it off, I flexi rod it and just put it away. I usually don't wear the wig every day because I'm out here on the property outside where it's so hot. I work from home. I manage people, so we're just always on the computer talking, doing Zooms and stuff, and we don't really share, our screen that much. So you don't have to really see me. If I know it's a meeting where I have to be seen, I will pop her on. So yeah, then we just do that. And you just look like a new person. Yes. I'll fix this lash. Yeah. There we are. Like I said, I don't put any, sometimes I'll put some of this bed head on my hairline, but for the most part, it doesn't lift up. Just finger my curls out. Yeah. And that's it, you guys. Fabulous. I get to put a little something on my lips. Looking kind of dry. I don't really put on any makeup. And there we have it. See you guys in the next video. Love you from Christopher Anthony's Premium Raw Virgin Hair. We appreciate you guys, all of your support. Ask me any questions, how to put on my magnetic lashes, what tips and tricks, what I do with my hair. I probably will do a video when we come back, when I take it off and I just put the flexi rods back in the unit and keep it going. Yeah, so this is our Raw Indian Hair Body Wave. I bleached it myself. I'll find that video, link it in here for you so you guys can go to that one and see how I did that. And yeah, it's beautiful. I want to say I might wash it once a month because I don't wear it every day. I really just wear it twice a week. So when it starts getting like flat, then I'll wear it. But yeah, if you want, you could definitely put some bed head to lay that down. If you think you'll be rubbing your fingers through your hair, you don't want it to, lift up. You want to stay fabulous at all times. Okay, you guys, love you. We'll talk to you soon. See you in the next video. Mwah.